The Xiaomi Mi A3 has a 48 megapixel primary camera with an f1.8 aperture, an 8 megapixel ultra-wide camera with an f2.2 aperture, and a 2 megapixel depth sensing camera at the back. For your selfie needs, the smartphone has a 32 megapixel AI-enabled selfie camera. The front camera has modes like AI Beauty and AI Portrait to aid your photos. The Mi A3 has a 6.08-inch HD Plus dot-notch display protected with Corning's Gorilla Glass 5. The front camera rests in the dot notch of the display. For security, it has an in-screen fingerprint sensor and also supports face unlock from the front-facing camera. The Mi A3 is an Android One device, which means that it runs on stock Android OS out of the box. For performance, it relies on the Qualcomm Snapdragon 665 processor. The smartphone is available in two variants: 4GB RAM with 64GB storage and 6GB RAM with 128GB storage. The storage on the device is UFS 2.1 flash storage. The smartphone is a dual nano SIM phone with both SIM slots supporting 4G. The smartphone has a hybrid SIM slot with microSD card support up to 256GB. The Mi A3 is available in three color options: more than white, not just blue, and kind of grey. The 4030 mAh high-capacity lithium polymer battery comes with support for 18-watt fast charging. The box includes the handset, 10-watt fast charger, Type-C cable, quick starter guide, case, and SIM tray ejector. The Xiaomi Mi A3 comes with standard brand warranty. You can avail EMI and exchange options. You can also pay online using your debit or credit card, net banking, or other methods. For further information on the product, warranty, payment, and delivery options and other offers, visit the product detail page.